Hello Clarinets, and welcome to our first online guided music practice session. Today is term 2, week 1, and we are revising our first 5 notes, C, D, E, F, and G, and we're going to be learning what a fermata or pause is, and then we're going to be practicing that in our music. You'll be successful when you can identify and correctly play your first 5 notes and understand and explain what a pause means to either yourself or a family member. Let's go from the beginning. Everyone say the notes and do the fingers for the first 5 notes. C, D, E, F, G. Now let's play them. Do that as many times as you need to make sure that you're getting them all right, no squeaking, and really good air. Now, a fermata is a note that has a little semicircle and a dot on top of it. That fermata or pause, as it can be called, just means to hold the note for longer than it is usually worth. So for example, if you have a note like a C that's 4 counts, it just means to hold it for longer than 4 counts. If you are in band, then you would hold it for as long as your conductor says to. So just watching and listening. Let's see how we go. First, we're going to practice our first 5 notes in some songs. So we're going to start with exercise 22, which we are going to say and do the fingers for from the beginning. C to D to E to F to G to G to G to 3, 4, F to G to E to G to D to G to C to 3, 4. Rewind, pause, and practice that as many times as you need to till it feels really easy. Now let's see if we can play the first 4 bars together. Now do it by yourself. Now one more time all together. If that was really easy, see if you can work out the next 4 bars on your own and pause it here. If that was a little bit tricky, please rewind and do it again. Now we are going to do the next 4 bars together. Let's do the same 4 bars again. Make sure that your fingers are ready to go down for the C after the G, so that you're not squeaking and that you're covering all the holes and not touching our danger key. Let's do it again, the second half, last 4 bars. Now let's see if we can play the whole song all together. Now let's do it with smart music. Rewind and practice that if you think you need more work. Play that another 2 times on your own. Now we are going to go to exercise 30. In exercise 30, you will notice that there are fermatas. How many fermatas can you see? Point them out. Hopefully you said that there are 4 fermatas. What notes are they on? Say the first note now. G. Good. Say the next note with a fermata. C. All right. Now the next one. E. Good. And the last note with a fermata is C. So let's play each of the notes with a fermata, and we're going to hold it for at least 1, but no more than 2 counts longer than the note. So let's do the first one, G. And the next one, C. And now the E. And the C. Practice those all again on your own. Now we're going to go from the beginning, saying the notes and doing the fingers. E, F, G, 2, G, 2, hold, F, E, D, E, C, 2, hold, E, 2, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, hold, D, C, 2, 3, 4, hold. Repeat that as many times as you need to until it feels easy. Now let's try and play it with smart music. Practice that as many times as you need to until it feels easy. Now sometimes smart music can be hard to follow because of the pauses, and that's okay, just do the best that you can. Now we are going to go to the next exercise in our books, which is Dreidel Dreidel. This is a song that uses all the notes we've just learned, so you can check if you have been successful in reading and playing all the notes. There are no fermatas here, but I now want you to explain out loud what you think a fermata means and how you play it. From the beginning, dreidel, dreidel, say the notes and do the fingers. G, E, G, E, G, E, rest. E, G, G, F, E, D, 2, rest. C, D, F, D, F, D, F, D, rest. D, G, F, E, D, C. Now let's see if we can play it. If you need some extra practice with your fingers, do that now and pause. Let's play it together. apply the things that we learnt in today's lesson to the next exercises in the book. See how far you can get. If you need any extra help or tips, please send me a message. Otherwise, happy practicing and keep up the good work. Ask yourself, were you successful in today's lesson? Were you able to play all of the first 5 notes? And do you now know what a fermata is? I hope that the answer is yes.